Boom. Don't even front. Don't even front, because I know for a lot of y'all, Klaiyi Hair has answered your prayers. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are interested in the review for this unit, definitely click the I. It will take you straight to that review. Definitely want to give a big thank you to Klaiyi Hair, baby, for sending out this beauty. This lovely body wave pre-cut. Did she say pre-cut? Unit. Yes, you heard me right. Yes, so they were kind enough to send out a pre-cut lace unit. This is going to be a first impression type of install, definitely a talk through. So if you are interested, definitely keep on watching. Before we get into this, definitely subscribe to the channel, drop your girl a comment down below, and of course share the video, baby, so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Yes, I don't know what to expect, but we're gonna go ahead and get into this pre-cut lace unit. Okay, Klaiyi Hair, come on through. So I am definitely digging the length on here already, straight out of the pack. This is going to be more of like an everyday vibe, nothing too heavy. It's a very lightweight unit, perfect for summer. It's right around the corner. It's the typical, so there are larger combs in this unit and one comb in the back. Then they do have the elastic band in the cap. As always, I do wish that it was sewn in instead of this bra strap type of hook. Just makes it easier. Sometimes when you tug on them too much, they fall out. I've said that time and time again. And the lace actually looks really doable. It does look blendable in my opinion. So I don't think we're gonna have a problem with that. And it looks like they actually pre-plucked the parting space a little bit. Looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some lace tint to this unit straight out of the pack. And I'm just gonna apply it right along here. Okay, so I always go light, because once you put it on, a lot of times you can't take it back. So I think the only thing that we're gonna do to this unit is put some lovely curls in it. But baby, that body, oh yeah, she ready to go. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, I've been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. What are we thinking? Just a couple of things to note about the lace and how they did cut it. It is not all the way close to the hairline, and I did brush out some of the baby hairs just to cover the lace that is showing. Okay, come through cap fit. So it is snug on my head. And I think once I bring this up to my hairline, we're actually going to have a good fit. So this is what the hairline is looking like right now. So I'm going to go in with a couple of things. The first thing I am going to go in with is the Even Lace Tinted Spray. Okay. And I'm also going to go in with the Juvia's Place Bronzed palette. This is in the shade Dark, using the bottom color, which is this one right here. And I'm just going to use my foundation brush, and I'm just going to start off on the side and see what kind of blend we get just with this lace alone. Okay, coming together. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Juvia's Place. And that is what we are looking like. Can you guys see that? That's not bad, y'all. Look. That is not bad at all. It actually blends pretty good. Okay, so now that I know that that blends, I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and do the same thing. Right in with the bronze palette. And I may have to just tap it with the foundation brush. I am digging this so far. Okay, so we're going to go in and I'm going to keep this as messy as possible. Which means I am going to have to, unfortunately, drag some of the curls. Okay, so I'm just going to go in and just drag some of these hairs down just to cover it. We've got a little bit showing here. Going in with a Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. Very tiny bit. Hopefully you can see that on my finger. And I'm just gonna use my hands. No special tools needed. And that is what we are looking like, ladies and gentlemen. You cannot tell me that that is not blending. So with the magic and power of editing, boom. Boom. Don't even front. Don't even front, because I know for a lot of y'all, Klaiyi Hair has answered your prayers. When it comes to wigs on this channel, the #1 concern, besides plucking your part or plucking the hairline, is how to cut your lace. This is the perfect medium, very beginner friendly unit, and guess what? 100% glueless. Okay. This is lace. It is not skin. Okay, so if you do decide to do the clean hairline look and you don't like the heavy swoops, do keep in mind that they do have a little bit of lace in front of the hairline, so it's not skin, it's lace. I'm gonna leave it at that. But I think when you take the time, apply your needed colors to tint the lace, do your little swoopity swoops, swirly swirls, whatever you want to do in the front. I think this looks so dang good, baby. I did go in with my T3 curling iron. This is also linked in my Amazon storefront if you want to check that out. And this gets super, super hot. Multiple settings on here. However, for this particular unit, I kept it right at about 400 degrees. And the curls are holding up so dang good, baby. They're not even falling too much. And I love the length on here. This is such a perfect length for like an everyday natural look. And the density is spot on, y'all. This is definitely something you can wear into the office, leave, go to lunch with your friends, and even go for a night out. So I'm definitely sold. I think this is just one of those do nothing wigs. Take it out the pack, curl it, and you are pretty much good to go. So if you're interested in checking out the information for this unit by Klaiyi Hair, direct link to this unit as well as a direct link to their store in the description box down below. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Click that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell. Drop me a comment down below. And as always, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.